In this video, we are going to go over what multiples are and how to find multiples and least common multiples. To list the multiples of a number, you simply count up by that number. Now, this is something that you should write down in your notebook as you're taking notes. So, for example, the multiples of 4, we simply count up by 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, and so on. This could go on forever and ever and ever. We would just keep counting up by 4s. So it's really easy to find multiples. You count by 3s to find the multiples of 3s. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. You'll count up by 8s to find the multiples of 8. So you start at 8, count up by 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and I could keep going and going and going and going, but we'll just list the first 5. Now, a lot of kids confuse factors and multiples. Now, remember yesterday we talked about factors, and the factors of a number are numbers that multiply together to equal a product. So the factors of the number 12 are the numbers that multiply together to equal 12. So 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4 are all factors of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Multiples are always going to be equal to or greater than the number itself. So the multiples of 12, again, we're going to count up by that number. So 12, 24, 36, and we could keep going and going and going and going and going, but we'll just list the first couple. So you need to remember the difference between factors and multiples.